I try to give you a small outlook on what we are, where we're going, and what we've done in 6 minutes. It's a bit short, but I try to do my best. So Dailymotion is a community website. It's about users. Okay, it's a media website. It's about content. And the link we establish between users and content, between the media and the community, is talent. We try to drive the most talent we can get from our users to get the most compelling content. Okay, so some highlights about the website. Today we have 72 on Alexa worldwide. We have 55% of non-French traffic. The growth in 2006 was around 40% month on month. It's pure viral and organic growth. We never spent one dime in advertising. We have some market-leading state-of-the-art functionality and technology, very easy-to-use website. We built on ourselves the technical infrastructure, so we proved that we are scalable until today, and we hope to continue being so. Today the management is focused on accelerating content partnerships. As you may know, we signed a deal with the SPPF, with Warner and Universal Music. It's a worldwide deal with international catalog, and we have the rights to display it on a worldwide basis. And of course, on full monetization of the site, around 100% of the revenue of Dailymotion comes from advertising. So here is our localization strategy. So we have two ways to localize the website. First, we have the home pages. An home page is a selection of content, of creative content, and of content coming from partnerships. So today we released, in fact, 3 days ago, US, UK, and German homepage. So today we have 5 homepage, meaning that when you come from Germany, you have German content on the homepage. So this is localization strategy, and we also have 13 translation of the interface. And the plan is to have 10 more homepages to come in the year 2007. The website has been made and think to be localized and translated since day one. Some metrics. Those are ZD statistics, so it's site-centric statistics. We hit 30 million unique users in February. This is the unique users worldwide. In February, we hit the 1 billion page views barrier, so we are very, very proud of this. This is the breakdown of the traffic. So Dailymotion is not, it has been made in France. Okay, the art of the thing is in France, but now it's an international website. As you may see, USA accounts for 13.5% of the visit, then UK, Canada, Japan, Belgium, Italy. And the most interesting thing to know is that we can act on the traffic of the internet, on the international traffic, because every day we release an home page or localization of the website, traffic take a boost in the country. The day we release the Japanese interface, Japan go up. Italy is today managed by Telecom Italia because we have a distribution deal with Telecom Italia. And so that's how we make traffic grow in foreign country, never by buying advertising, but by localizing the website and driving more content from the country. So in terms of content, we have two different kinds of content, what we call creative content and content coming from partnership. So creative content is content coming from creative users. So we have what we call a creative team. Those guys are listening to the creative users, what they need, what they expect, so to drive a lot of creative content to the website, and they act as editor for the local DM homepage. We also launched the Motion Maker program. Motion Maker program is a premium membership where you need to send videos to be validated, so you can say you are a musician, filmmaker, reporter, and entertainer. And this allows us to give more visibility to the creative content. And those users will become the one elect for revenue sharing on the second part of 2007. Because we need to pay for content. No media website can never pay for content. This was for the creative content. Now for the partnership. Okay, so our management is today focused on building content partnership with major content producers. This helps us, of course, to address copyright concerns. We announced a deal with the SPPF, with Warner Music and Universal Music. Those deals are based on the international catalog and worldwide scope, so we can broadcast the content in any country. Now, some more hints about the monetization strategy. So 4 axes of monetization. The 2 biggest would be promotional and classic advertising. Promotional is based on branded channel, where we can create stunts between content and advertisers, and then classic advertising. Classic advertising, as I told you, we had 1 billion page views in February, so we have a massive inventory to sell in terms of CPM, EAB, and rich media formats. And we will, of course, go to sponsor links and to in-stream advertising. We will only monetize using in-stream premium content and exclusive content, meaning that when you will see an ad into a video, it will mean that you are paying for the guy who made the video. It could be a creative user or a partner. When you see a pre-roll or a post-roll, it's to pay for the content. Okay, so those are lists, non-exhaustive list of brands who already trust us as advertisers. Okay, so Dailymotion is a media-friendly website. Other brands include Disney, Sony Columbia, Wilkinson, Reebok, and others. I'll try to show you what is advertising in Dailymotion. So this is an advertiser channel. Okay, this is a study for Coca. Advertiser channel is a normal place to display video, but it's branded for the label. And how do we drive visibility to the brand? By putting, we have dedicated space here, here, and here. So those are the three main pages of Dailymotion: home page, list page, and player page. And in every of these pages, this is the new version of the website that has been released 3 days ago. We have dedicated places to drive traffic to our advertisers. So I think I've been shorter than 6 minutes. No? Maybe you have some questions? Yes?
Revenue model, you mentioned costs of content. Are you generating revenue?
What?
Revenue.
Revenue model is advertising, monetization.
Just advertising.
Monetization, yes. 1 billion page views. If you take, I don't know, if I drop a $1 CPM in the air, it's even enough.
How would you compare your kind of censorship attitude or editorial attitude compared to YouTube?
Okay, so we are a mainstream website. Okay, of course, we don't want to be too hip or too, but we try always to be in between. I mean, if you take MetaCafe, for instance, they are very funny video, very easy to watch. So this kind of video drives a lot of traffic, and our audience wants this content. But we also try to drive the things a bit up, and maybe to propose more, sometimes more arty and creative stuff. So we are always in between. And we are okay to take risks. We take a lot of risks on the homepage, but the debate is here, and this is what's important for us. So sometimes we take risks on the homepage. And this is what we've done since the beginning, and we accepted this. And I think this is why today the homepage of Dailymotion is very different from what you can see here. Somewhere else. Other questions? Yeah?
How do you partner with telecom companies like Telecom Italia, for example?
So Telecom Italia was a deal we made a long time ago. We started negotiation 1 year ago. It's a distribution deal in Italy. This market was not at this time one of our core markets. We have huge growth to handle, so we decided that Telecom Italia was a big partner for us to handle the bringing content to the website and monetization. As you may know, Telecom Italia is a very big advertiser in Italy, online advertiser, and it's a very good deal we made with them. I mean, they are very happy to have us on their portal, and we are very happy with the revenue they are generating for us. And this is something we could reproduce in other countries.
Did you mobilize your service already, or is this planned?
So it is planned to have a read-only interface at the beginning, because we think that for the moment it's quite hard to reproduce all you can do from Dailymotion on a mobile phone. I think that's the point. But to be able to read videos from your friends, top-rated video and featured video of the day is a good idea. So we are about to release a read-only version of the website, plus some dedicated services. For instance, IVR, the ability to upload to a video mobile phone, very easy upload. We're about to release this. Thank you.